Last Wednesday, May 9, the stars of GMA Films horror film, The Road, walked down the red carpet for the film's Hollywood premiere. At naroon mismo sa LA, ang Star Talk TX segment host na si Tim Yap to keep us Yap-dated.
Good afternoon mga kapuso, nandito po tayo sa ArcLight Studios dito mismo sa Los Angeles. Ito po ay para sa red carpet screening ng The Road. Derek, how do you feel now that The Road is finally here in Hollywood?
For me, this is an achievement for all of us, for the Filipinos.
Yes.
Hey Riri.
Hi Tim.
Hello, you look so hot.
Thank you so much. I had a lot of help because this gown was made for me by the one and only Ito Kurata.
Anong nafe-feel mo that a lot of good reviews have come out about the film?
Sa ngayon pa lang maganda na yung response. And my hope for it is mapagpatuloy lang yun ng lahat na maganda talaga yung response nila sa film even after they watch it.
Foreign media yung nandito nag-i-interview sa inyo, diba? Ibang level.
English speaking kami dito, Hollywood na Hollywood. And may mga nagpapa-autograph pa and talagang parang kami mga Hollywood stars. This is not just for us but for the Philippines. Para po sa atin to.
So alam mo, akala ng mga tao meron ka ng horror film ngayon ha?
Akala nga eh. Sinusuportahan ko lang si Rian at yung Philippine movie industry, so para sikat naman yung Pilipino. Siyempre proud tayo at masaya tayo dahil bihirang nangyari yung ganun yung may movie tayo dito sa States.
How do you feel about all the great reviews about The Road?
I'm very, very happy, and of course, I'm proud that the artistic talents of Filipinos are being recognized internationally, because I know that the talents of the Filipinos are limitless and it really can cross boundaries. So I'm really hoping that in the future, more and more films like these will be recognized abroad.
Nandito pa rin tayo sa Hollywood ngayon. Nandito naman tayo sa after party ng The Road kasama ang direktor na si Yam Laranas. Direk Yam, anong feeling pagkatapos ng screening?
Tuwang-tuwa dahil nakita namin na yung pagod namin talagang nagbunga mula from GMA Film, GMA Pinoy TV and so on. Ang ganda ng reaction ng mga tao, nakakatuwa nung nagpapalakpakan at nagtitilian sila. It's so much fun and we're very happy about it.
Tuloy-tuloy po ang pag-follow natin sa aking Twitter, twitter.com/officialtimyap, and my Instagram, officialtimyap. We'll always keep you Yap-dated. This is Tim Yap, dito po tayo sa Hollywood, sa ArcLight Cinemas, dito sa Sunset Boulevard, keeping you Yap-dated.